Amit, we hear the Aam Aadmi Party has been constantly calling this vendetta. We know they've been protesting extensively. In fact, there are claims that Arvind Kejriwal's health is deteriorating while in prison. We heard Saurabh Bharadwaj saying that Kejriwal's weight has dropped nearly 8 kgs in the last 2 months that he's been in prison, and that he needs to come out to get a series of medical checks done. So, on health grounds, show him some sympathy.
Nabila, as far as the legal strategy right now is concerned, it will be more focused on challenging the stay that has been ordered by the Delhi High Court. We have been reporting as to how the Aam Aadmi Party was nervous about the fact that the way and manner High Court had put stay on this particular bail proceeding, and after that they had approached the Supreme Court of India, hoping that the Supreme Court will at least give some sort of hope to Aam Aadmi Party, and in a way that hope had come, because after that hearing and after that observation that it's very unusual, as Nalini was also pointing out, for High Court to put stay in this particular manner on a bail petition. So that way the order has come. Now Aam Aadmi Party will have all hopes from the Supreme Court of India, as in the case of excise policy has ever been, with Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, Arvind Kejriwal himself when he stepped out on interim bail for the Lok Sabha campaigning. So every relief had come from the Supreme Court itself, but this time around, in a very surprising manner, the trial court, the Rawalpindi court, had given bail to him, a regular bail to him, and after the Delhi High Court put a stay on the bail proceedings, and it said that in a couple of days they will be deciding on it. Aam Aadmi Party was nervous, so obviously now the focus will be on Supreme Court. Number two, as you were also pointing out, yes, Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that Arvind Kejriwal has lost nearly 8 kg of weight ever since he has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate and remains to be behind bars in Tihar jail. They were hoping that when Arvind Kejriwal steps out of Tihar jail, it would have actually been a Sanjeevani for the party. But right now, more legal struggle and battle in the Supreme Court to begin from tomorrow. Back to you.
All right. So, Shrishti, if you could jump in on this, the Supreme Court is likely to take up the matter tomorrow. Has it been listed? Do we know more on whether the council is now working overdrive of Arvind Kejriwal to ensure that it's heard tomorrow itself?
Well, Nabila, the Aam Aadmi Party legal team's strategy to approach Supreme Court on it before even the final order was passed by the High Court on the stay aspect now seems to be like a good strategy, because now that stay on his bail has already been granted by the High Court, they don't have to wait for a while to file a petition and wait for the Supreme Court to list it, considering they had already approached the Supreme Court and the court clearly yesterday directed for the matter to be listed tomorrow. That in a way will ensure that the matter will be heard by the top court tomorrow itself. Not just that, Supreme Court had also very clearly directed that the order copy, if in the meantime High Court decides to pass its order, then that order copy be also supplied to the Supreme Court. So as far as Supreme Court's directions are concerned, it's most likely that the court will take up the matter tomorrow. Very crucial hearing, because the court had said that it would like to wait for the High Court's order first to see what the High Court has said. It did not want to prejudge the entire situation. It wanted to see what the High Court has decided to say on ED's allegations, which is why it wanted to first have High Court's order on record. Now the High Court's order will be on record before the Supreme Court, and now what is argued by Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers and even by ED before the Supreme Court is something which will be very important to see. If Supreme Court's, we can say that not all hope is lost for Arvind Kejriwal as of now, because the matter is already before Supreme Court. The Supreme Court in most likelihood will hear the matter tomorrow, and then it will be important to see if Supreme Court decides to interfere with the stay order in any way, or will the Supreme Court allow and permit the High Court to go ahead with the hearing, because the result of today's stay order is basically that Enforcement Directorate had challenged the grant of bail to Arvind Kejriwal before the High Court. On that aspect, no order has been passed yet. On the legality of that particular bail order, High Court is yet to hear arguments from both sides. As far as the interim stay is concerned, that is what the court has has in a way made more permanent today. So Arvind Kejriwal will not be coming out of jail, at least till the time either Supreme Court decides to interfere or the High Court finally decides on ED's plea challenging his bail. Back to you.
All right. Well, it's interesting to see what the Supreme Court decides. As per Shrishti, it appears Arvind Kejriwal's counsel approaching the Supreme Court may have been a good idea even before the Delhi High Court's verdict, because now the matter is already listed for tomorrow. So without any further delay, Supreme Court will be deciding on whether or not to intervene in the verdict given by the Delhi High Court to change that. Delhi High Court now has given no relief, says the bail stay will continue. So we're going to see all eyes on the Supreme Court's verdict that will come in tomorrow. Thanks very much, Nalini, Shrishti and Amit, for joining us on that.